about to fill up my coffee cup and then go next door to the Lowe's over there to pick up my load. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. All right, kings and queens, so this is the trailer I'm picking up. Right now it is 4 in the morning. I start out early so I can finish early. I'm about to hook my glad hands and then up my landing gear, and then I'm gonna check the seal, okay? All right, so I got my bill of ladings and I'm about to head to Mississippi. Okay, kings and queens, right now I am in Alabama and I'm about to get fuel. Hello, thank you. Okay, kings and queens, so I made it to the Lowe's and about to give them my bill of lading. They're gonna tell me if it's a live load or to drop and hook. Okay, kings and queens, I got my paperwork back and now I'm about to head to a pilot to park and do my 10-hour break. So I'll see you at the pilot. Hey, kings and queens, so right now I'm in Meridian, Mississippi, and I'm about to shut it down. I'm exhausted and I gotta get up at 2:30 in the morning. But before I go, I want to shout out Keeping It 100 with my experiences. Thank you so much, sis, for sharing my video on your platform. You did mention that Mr. Willie from Epps, he recommended my channel to you, and I'm so grateful and thankful for that. Sharing me on your platform, I really do appreciate it. That's the way it's all about, sharing and giving information to the people and showing the young girls and older women that ladies can come together, and I love it. I love it. And in addition, y'all, I did sign up for the membership for Women in Trucking, so I'm super excited about that. I don't know what it entails, but I can't wait to be a part of it. So y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check down below in the description box. It's links to all of my social medias. Also, comment down below for video suggestions or questions. And make sure you work hard and stay humble. Bye.